bitter fuck. You make me a bitter fuck. I'm a bitter fuck. You gon' be a bitter fuck. Because of you. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. You ain't got no cash. You ain't got no dollars. Stay with that drunk.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today is my birthday, the 26th of February, and I'm 22 years old. And I'm not going to put any like background music to this. The only background music you're gonna hear is Joji playing in my speakers right now because I've just been listening to him just the whole of today. I really like Joji. Like, I feel like I know exactly what he's been through, and like I relate to his lyrics so fucking hard. He's like my favorite artist, and like low-key his music saved my life. Like, music is amazing. But anyways, I'm not trying to get cringy or emotional or whatever. Today I'm gonna cut my hair. Oh my god. My ends are, oh my god, my hair is not naturally straight. This is straight end, so it'll make me easier to just chop off. Literally all I'm trying to do is just chop the ends off, because from here to like here is my natural virgin hair. This is all like that bleached blondness that I had best when I was like all busted Becky up in here. My hair is like my best feature, in my opinion, because I do get like that Malaysian in me that makes me have a really nice hair, but the ends are just horrible. Like, they're like fried. It's like I deep fried the bottom of my hair. Like, I don't know if you can hear that. You can't hear it. It's worse when I don't straighten my hair. But okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this as well. I'm just gonna make it like even, and I'm not wearing my contacts or glasses or anything, so I can't. I'm using like the viewfinder, so I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera, and I'm sorry if I'm squinting because I can't see clearly. I'm not even trying to make this a big deal. I just want to chop this shit off. Like, I really don't care if it's not even and shit, but just gonna brush my hair. Okay, my hair is also really thin at the moment because I lost a lot of hair whilst going through stress and all of that. So the way I'm gonna do this so that I don't make a mess, I got all these bands. I got a hidden one here as well, lol. How many? Like 4. Okay. How am I gonna do this? I guess, and chop it off. Like, fuck. I'm gonna make this like really tight so that it holds the hair. Woo! This is tight. Okay. Wow, I can't even. Okay, that's one. There's gonna be a little chit chat as well, just to explain my life. Basically, I strongly believe that I am bipolar, and I couldn't get diagnosed because when I went to my GP, they told me that no psychiatrist will diagnose me because I smoke weed. Even though when I explained my symptoms or whatever, I said it was before I smoked weed. I only started smoking weed in 2017. I was like worse before that. Weed has saved my life. It helps me cope with this shit. And it's like something like and as like when I spoke to the doctor, as soon as I mentioned weed, she was just like all pinpointing it on weed. Like, weed is causing my problems, weed is not good for you, weed is like you know, like, it's weed is what's causing my problems, even though I told her like I've been having this shit before I smoked weed. Like, but she was so adamant that no psychiatrist will diagnose me if I smoke weed. And part of the symptoms of bipolar is drug abuse, like abusing drugs, like, you know. So I don't know what that bitch is talking about. It like pissed me off, like when she just said like stop smoking weed and then we'll see if it's actually like something for you to be diagnosed with. I don't know, like it just My mom has it, and I told her don't, like, she smokes too, and I told her no, don't smoke, don't tell them you smoke. And now she's gonna get like diagnosed by a psychiatrist. She's gonna get checked basically, and it's like if she has it, then it's like I have it. It's kind of like genetic. I read, and you know, it's whatever. Like, okay, I'm not gonna just chill on camera looking like this, so I don't know how much I want to cut off, you know. Let's just put it down. Just put it down a good amount, because I still do want to have hair, you know, honestly. These gotta be like the same sizes or I'm gonna kill myself. Wow, such an extreme makeover, guys. I'm cutting off so much hair. Okay, I'm using the most trashiest scissors. Do you know what I use? Do you know what this family uses these scissors for? To cut the seasoning of ramen packets. Yeah, and this is what. Oh my god, I need to take like a thumbnail. Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay, I'm ready to cut now. Woohoo, let's go. Oh my god, I'm going above the line. No, this is gonna go so disastrous. This is a disaster already. Oh my god, can you hear? That does not sound nice. Okay, oh my god, look at this. It's my hair. I've cut my own hair before. Like, the first time I ever cut my hair, I was like in year 8 or year 9 or something. And I got complimented by someone, like my hair was so bad, like, oh my god, my hair feels amazing. Oh my god, it's so short. It's short again. Oh my god, what did I do? What did I do? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, this bit's like longer than this side. Oh my god, look what they did. Oh my god. Oh no. But you know what? It feels amazing to not have those fucking... Oh my god, I should have taken pictures before I cut my hair. Oh well. Fuck it, man. It's not that deep. Shit. Okay, I'm going to cut like a bit above. Oh my god, this is gonna fail. Like, this has already gone down. Like, this is gonna fail. I'm gonna go like here. Oh my god, please, 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 please. Oh my god. Okay. Here. Okay, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm definitely cutting my hair shorter than I want it to be. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Oh. I feel like Mulan. Am I Mulan now? Oh my god. Look at this. Yo, I could use this. I'm joking. Come on, ew. This is all damaged, bleached. Who wants this? I'll sell it on eBay. That's actually disgusting. That's so weird. Like, how do people just wear like animal fur, like real animal fur? Like, I don't understand how people wear that shit. Like, imagine wearing this. I mean, people wear weaves and they're made out of real hair. I don't know, I could never wear like real human hair like as a weave or a wig or whatever. It's just weird. It's like, oh, that came from someone's, you know, biology and DNA. Oh my god, girl, what the fuck did I do? I'm always doing stupid crazy shit with my hair. Welcome to my channel. I'm so weird. I'm actually such a weird person. If you're friends with me, I feel sorry for you. I'm joking. I only have one friend these days. I only have one friend, so yeah, and they know I'm crazy, so it's lit. It feels amazing. I don't have those. Look, just, oh, it just feels so nice. Yes, not damaged. Not damaged. I mean, it's probably still damaged, but not that damaged. You feel me? Yeah, I definitely did not intend it for it to be this short, but oh well. Yeah, I mean, thank you all for the birthday wishes. I'll be reading all the comments. Like, let me know everything, and like, just, I read everything. Anyways, like, I've been tripping. Like, I've been having mad anxiety attacks the whole of February because just turning 22 is just causing me like so much anxiety and stress, because it's like, oh, I'm not where I want to be and I'm turning 22. Like, I'm old. like I'm getting old, like what the fuck, I'm not where I want to be, what the fuck. But honestly, now that I've turned 22, I feel relieved almost. Like I feel like I've matured a lot, I've learnt a lot, and I'm happy right now. So I'm really grateful for everyone that's supporting me and being there for me. And you know, like from now on, I'm not trying to keep like fake friends. I'm not trying to have, oh my god, let me stop picking my nose. I'm not trying to keep people in my circle that I know that are fake, okay? So if you see me fucking with someone, to my knowledge, they are a genuine person. That's how I want to be. Like if Sabrina fucks with you, you're a genuine person. That's how I want to live my life, because I cut off a lot of people from my life. I don't talk to a lot of people. I'm alone most of the time, and I like it that way. You know, I don't get fucked over as much, or I don't trip. I'm not paranoid over people like fucking me over and stuff. Like obviously being bipolar, like that affects friendships and relationships with people. That's probably why I have never been in a serious relationship. I've never been in a serious relationship. Like people can be like, oh, but this person, but like, nah, I've never fully loved someone like that, or you know what I mean. But yeah, it doesn't bother me, like it doesn't faze me. Like what the fuck, like I don't give a fuck. Like I'm trying to live my life. But yeah, so here's to being fucking 22. What the fuck, guys? I'm an adult and y'all making me play MSP. Like come on, like I can't be playing MSP when I'm fucking 22. What the fuck? The time's gone, babies. Like I can play IMVU because there's people my age and shit on there, but you know, I'm talking about my Panthera channel. If you don't know that I have a Panthera channel, like it'll be somewhere. But that is like my main channel. But I'm trying to make this my main channel because this is more real life. This is more me. I'm trying to be me. Like I'm trying to be real as fuck, genuine as fuck, show you guys just realness, real everyday life that people deal with, not some fake happiness. Like if I'm sad, I'm fucking sad. If I'm happy, I'm gonna show you that I'm happy. I'm not gonna fake be like, oh yeah, I'm happy. Like I'm trying to, you know, if I'm negative, like I'm gonna tell you guys I'm negative as fuck. Like don't try to talk to me. Like I'm like that with everyone. Like if I'm negative, I'm like, don't talk to me, I'm negative right now. But if I'm positive, I'll be like, yo, like I'm there for people, I'm like there for anyone. But that's the person I am. And yeah, if you fuck with me, I fuck with you. Like it's just simple as that. Trying to live my life simply, not complicate things. And yeah, so this is a bit crazy. What a crazy video. But I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Subscribe if you want to see more of me, and I'll see you in the next video. Honestly, I feel like I look so busted, but it's whatever. Fuck people's opinions 2018, okay? Peace. I do this. I don't fucking do this. Since when do I do this? Peace.